Locking your card on Apple Pay is a straightforward process that helps protect your financial information. Follow these steps to secure your card quickly. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your payment cards are stored and managed. Step 2. Select your card. Find and tap on the card you want to lock. This will bring up the card details and options related to that specific card. Step 3. Access card settings. Look for the information icon or the 3 dots in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the card settings. Step 4. Lock the card. In the card settings menu, find the option to lock or disable the card. This may be labeled as lock card or disable card. Tap on it to initiate the locking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. Before starting recovery, use the SROC account link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you can quickly lock your card on Apple Pay to ensure your security. If you need to unlock it later, simply return to the Wallet app and follow the prompts to reactivate your card.